Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in your this numerical analysis, in your this numerical computation, as per our pre-decided session, today I will discuss with you. Please note down the topic. The topic of discussion is numerical computation, numerical integration. So, let us see this topic. This is numerical integration, and the basic of this is that there are various reasons as of why such approximation can be useful. First, not every function can be analytically integrated. The first thing is that not every function can be analytically integrated. And the second, even if a closed integration formula exists, it might still not be the most efficient way of calculating the integral. In addition, it can happen that we need to integrate an unknown function in which only some samples of the functions are known. In order to gain some insight on numerical integration, it is natural to review Riemann integration, students. I suggest you that just go through the topic, that is Riemann integration. What is Riemann integration? Why it is applied in applied mathematics, in engineering. You should see from your vector analysis or from other aspect of mathematics. A framework that can be viewed as an approach for approximating integral. For that, we assume that fx is the function fx is bounded function defined in the closed interval AB, and that the points we are taking is from x0, x1, x2 up to xn is a partition of matrix P of closed interval AB. For each I, we let MIF is equal to superior value of fx, where x belongs to x under closed interval xi minus 1 xi, and the MIF is equal to infimum value of fx, where x belongs to closed interval xi minus 1 xi. Means you are saying that interval is the same. Here is for supremum, here is for infimum. Let this delta xi is equal to this gap. The upper Darboux sum of the fx with respect to the partition P is defined as UFP as sigma I is equal to n mi delta xi, while the lower Darboux sum of fx with respect to the partition P is defined by lower stands for L, Fp like this, as capital and a small. Symbol are almost same. So you are seeing here the upper integral of fx on closed interval AB is defined as UF is equal to infimum of this, and lower integral of this LF is supremum of this. Both the infimum and supremum are taken over all possible partition P of the interval closed interval AB. If the upper and lower integral of fx are equal to each other, Their common value is denoted by limit of integration from a to b dx and is referred to a Riemann integral of fx. So students, here we see a simpler approach of approximating the value of limit of integration from a to b fx dx will be compute the product of the value of the function at one of the end point of the interval by the length of the interval. In case we choose the end point where the function is evaluated to be x is equal to a, we obtained a to b fx dx is equal to fa into b minus a. This approximation is called the rectangular method. Numerical integration formulas are also referred to the integration rules for quadratures, and henceforth we can refer equation 6.3 as the rectangular rule for the rectangular quadrature. So I hope students that you have understand that what is numerical integration. Though after integration the result you get is generally numerical integration, but here we are taking some concept of Riemann integration also. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to raise your query, feel free to ask your question. You put your comment in the comment box. I will resolve from there. Thank you for enjoying this lecture.